Ooh, guess what I got in front of me? So yes, I did say I was going to talk about another Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt soaking fluid. I popped this bad boy out because I noticed my foot and the back of my leg, most of the back of my leg, like my foot was a little tense, but the back of my leg, I noticed that it was a little tensed. And I was like, all right, let me just go ahead and slow it down. And the thought was like, all right, go try this out. You bought it for a reason, so use it. So I'm like, all right, you know, I literally felt so relaxed. Like, I felt like this was draining the pain out of my leg, and I literally felt better. Like, it wasn't as tense as it was before. If anything, it was close to being gone. You know, I am very active and I move around a lot, so this definitely helped me out a lot. I'm just amazed of how Dr. Teal's products work for me. Like, they have another one that I talked about before, but I really wanted to use this one because I seen a post where this lady was very sore, like really sore, and she said she used this, and what I tell you, she said the next morning she felt like she could just get up and go for hours and hours and hours. I was like, all right, I need some research and I need to go ahead and cop this now. Like, I really need this. Like, and it has the pre and post workout, so it's like you definitely know it's targeting people that are, you know, active. And you can see, I like this right here where it gives you like that running person and the areas that it target. I definitely needed it for all this right here, and it definitely helped. Now I will say it was a little search going on, but eventually I did find it, and I'm very, you know, happy for that. I really hope that they come out with like a bubble bath soon, because I'm definitely going to get this too. And on the back here, it's just telling you what it got in it. And it says both known to comfort and relieve overworked muscles, of optimum performance. And it just tells you how you can use it. I did the soak away discomfort from sore muscles. Pour at least 2 cups. Did I even pour in that? I don't know. But I did the soaking solution under warm water, and I did soak for 15 minutes, and I let it do its thing. What I did first, I took a shower, and I was like, all right, wait a little bit, and then took a soaking bath, and man, it felt amazing. Ooh, it really did. I ain't over exaggerating or anything. It really felt good. But at the top, what you do, you know, you just tear that thing off. Tear it off. And you can see how eager I was. Gosh, it smells so good. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. Like, I don't know. Maybe describe it like sand or something. Look, I'm trying to put the rest of it back in the bag. I ain't trying to waste none of it. As soon as you open the bag, you smell it. It smells like, yeah, it does smell citrusy, and I smell the mint. But yeah, you can just get a measuring cup and you can pour it inside, or you can do it the guessing way, where you just open a bag and you just pour out where you think it's 2 cups. I mean, hey, but I love this. Like, I definitely got to use this more often. I'm probably most likely going to use this again to avoid, you know, me being extra sore. But I love this stuff. I have not yet worked this stuff for, you know, pouring, you know, with the cloth and then applying it to where it's sore. But I'm pretty sure this stuff will work out if it worked with the bubble bath. The only thing about is that I just wanted to have a bubble bath along with this, because that will be off the chain. That bubble bath, soap stuff, plus this, you ain't gonna have no soreness at all. And if you're very active, I highly recommend, highly recommend buying this. I really do. You automatically just feel like this stuff is gonna work. Just I think because of that picture too, and then the pre and post workout. And I actually haven't used this before a workout before. I just only used it like afterwards. But I mean, I should try the before too because it says pre. I'm pretty sure if I do that, then I won't come out as sore or, you know, tired if I use it before and after. But yeah, that's how you learn. But yeah, again, this is the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution. And this is the pre and post workout. I think this is one of the newest ones.